Don't underestimate the importance of ambition and goal setting in shaping who you are. All is within your reach. Whether you want to run a marathon, start a company, or lose a dress size, it's all a matter of having the right attitude. Allow these 10 to guide you in the right direction. If you are having any trouble realizing your dreams, here is how to set and achieve goals effectively. Wait, before starting, let's hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the latest relevant updates on technology, management, and marketing. So let's begin. Number 1, create a list of goals that inspire you. Set personal goals for yourself that will empower you to achieve new heights. Don't go along with the crowd and try to emulate your friends' ambitions. Instead, do something you are passionate about that truly interests you. This will help you develop a sense of mission, which will allow you to stop thinking and start doing. Number 2, be proactive in your approach. Life goals are those things you hope to achieve one day but never know. If you want to make something happen, you need to change your approach. Stop scrolling through social media, wishing you had that career, that lifestyle, that social life, and instead, get out there and do something about it. Number 3, there will be no more negativity. Earl Nightingale, an American writer, once said, "Our attitude toward life decides life's attitude toward us." And he was right. If you project negativity out into the universe, it will come back to bite you. You won't be able to do it if you tell yourself you can't do this and you can't do that. Even if you are faking it, getting a can do mentally, as a cliche as it might sound, can help you to achieve your objectives. Whenever doubt creeps into your mind, sweat it away and remind yourself that the glass is half full. Number 4, maintain a healthy balance. It's quick to get fixated on setting goals. You are addicted and will go to any extent to achieve your goals. However, there is a risk of burnout. If you do this from the outset, be positive about your goals. Drive is admirable, but bear in mind that you, like anyone else, need rest and recuperation. You might try making a plan and scheduling time to work on your target each day or week. Number 5, break it down. Setting and achieving targets is difficult. There are no simple options or shortcuts, but that is part of what makes the experience so satisfying. Breaking it down, if you start to feel stressed, not only in terms of time, but also in terms of action points. Outlining what you want to achieve, when you want to achieve it, and how you intend to achieve it will make your goals sound far more attainable. Number 6, embrace failure. Setting goals is rarely easy. You will run into roadblocks that make you wonder why you tried in the first place. But that's part of the process. And sooner you embrace it, the better. Rather than allowing failure to defeat you, accept that it has occurred and learn from it. Make a list of what worked and what didn't, and then move on. You will become a better goal setter as a result of it. Number 7, talk about it. Discuss your goal setting strategy. Tell someone who would listen about your dreams and how you want to carry them out. The added pressure will force you to follow through with your thoughts. Furthermore, it offers opportunities for networking, developing long-term market objectives. The more people you talk to, the more likely you are to meet people with whom you can work and achieve your goals. Number 8, get help. Don't go it alone. There is only so far a project can go until it requires a change of perspective. This can be about anything, including your goals, successes, or simply inspiration. At this point, you might seek advice from a friend or contact SAR. A thriving group of experts and strategists is sure to have a few pointers. Number 9. Track your progress. Seeing how far you have come can be a big motivator to get you to finish line. If your weight loss progress has come to halt and you are tempted to return to your old habits, remind yourself of how far you have come so far. Take photos, keep journal, or even vlog your goal setting trip. Keeping track of your good and bad weeks will also help you recognize your shortcomings and find out how to overcome them. Number 10. Visualize the end result. You will be tempted to stray if you lose sight of the end goal. Visualizing the shift you want to see is one of the most successful ways to stay motivated. Make this mental picture of yourself, the you, in X number of weeks, so that if you lose, you will not be discouraged and will bounce back better than ever. Always keep in mind that the golden rule for achieving goals is to set them properly. Setting goals is a process that begins with careful consideration of what you want to accomplish and concludes with a lot of hard work to actually accomplish it. There are several very well-defined steps in between that go beyond the details of each target. Knowing how to take these steps will help you set goals that you can reach. And yes, when you accomplish your goal, congratulate yourself, you deserve it. Have you made it around the marathon course without getting blisters? There is a beer with your name on it waiting for you after the run. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.